colors. Summer love.
Hey friends, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are celebrating Memorial Day weekend. And I wasn't going to vlog this weekend, but we had a lot of fun things happening and recipes and home decor, so I picked up the camera. I am drinking a peach milkshake from Pierce Farms that Grammy brought to us for our little water park day, and Kason approved. He loved it. After he got through playing in the water, he took a little nap out on the patio and we watched a little movie. Now we're getting in Addison's little side-by-side and we're riding to the back of our house, to our neighbor's house, and going to grab some farm fresh picked peaches. I am planning on using these in little recipes this weekend. Drew is home now and we picked up some fresh corn and he is putting that on the grill. And then I need some chives, so I'm going to go cut those from our garden. We've been using lots of our herbs from our garden and it's just absolutely wonderful. My sister-in-law just messaged and said, can I get some mint from your garden? So I just love having that little cottage garden out there. I am going to mix together this little recipe I found off of Pinterest and I will link it down below. It is hot honey chicken with almost like a street corn recipe, and y'all, this is like my absolute favorite, hands down, new summer recipe, and I will be wanting to eat this all summer long. So if this looks good to you, definitely check out the recipe in the description box. I also added some tahini into this. It didn't call for it, but I love tahini, so we had to add a dash of it.
Losing track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset view. Sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning blues. Good to use some too.
We sat out on the patio and watched a new Netflix series called Sirens, and I thought it was really good. Let me know in the comments down below if you've seen it and what you think about it. So we just had a nice, relaxing evening, and it is the next morning. So this is Saturday morning, and we are getting ready to go over to my sister's house to celebrate Memorial Day. My brother-in-law has to work on Monday, so we're going to celebrate then and celebrate Drew's birthday. So right now I'm just soaking all of our fruits with my Thieves fruit and veggie soak. And this makes the house smell so good. So we're gonna let that soak for a little while and then go outside and enjoy a cup of coffee with Drew. Kason actually spent the night with Grammy this night, and so Drew and I had a little date night Friday night, and then Saturday morning we got up and just went over lots of fun ideas for summertime plans and just had a relaxing evening and breakfast together. If you're not washing your fruit and veggies, what are you doing? That is so gross.
Lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember.
So we're having a homemade chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream and a cookie cake. So I was going to put this on like a cute cookie or something like that, and all that. We were like, we can just eat the fruit. We're gonna be out in the hot sun at the pool today, so we can just eat the fruit for a little fresh treat, or we can put it on the cookie cake or in the ice cream. So a little fruit bowl. Also, these are amazing. I got these off of Amazon and they come in several different sizes. And I hate using tin foil or like saran wrap. I mean, we still use it, but whenever I can, which is a pretty good bit, we use these. This stuff is amazing. My new favorite. I cannot explain to y'all how much I love this. Whenever we were at the beach, I kept getting, in that beach vlog you saw, that avocado toast from that coffee shop, and Reddit said there was hot honey on it, and I thought they just meant warm honey, and then I knew when I was eating it, it had a kick to the toast, and I was like, oh, they mean like spicy honey, hot honey. I found this at Walmart. Oh my gosh, it is so good. We had this on our chicken last night, as you saw, and so I'm bringing it for the chicken today. It says you can put this on pizza, fried chicken, cheese, tea, salad, ice cream, fruit, roasted veggies, seafood, yogurt, ribs, oatmeal, cocktails. Oh my gosh, just absolutely delicious. Made with honey and chili peppers. I was gonna put it on my peaches and ice cream last night, but honestly, when I ate that, I was already so tired. I was hardly able to keep my eyes open, so I just put the ice cream on the peaches and ate it real quick, and then we went to bed. But I definitely want to do this with my ice cream and peaches really soon. I wanted to take my little barbecue sauces in a cute little basket, and I have a really cute picnic basket I got from Rustic Relics, if y'all watched that haul, but it's not going to work. It's going to be too big for just these sauces. So I have this one that my sister-in-law, she put cute little stuff in. It says Matron of Honor, where she got married, and I haven't got to use it yet. And so I thought we could use it now, so I don't need that tag anymore. Hope that all of these will fit in here. I think he said that there's one more out there. This will be perfect. I mean, I could have thrown them in a Walmart bag, but they're going to be rolling around, so this is great. I do see the other one out there, so we'll put that in here real quick. Is that the barbecue sauce we're using?
Yeah.
Are you done with it?
Yeah, on the side.
Look what I found to put it all in.
What?
Instead of a Walmart bag. Also, Drew is really upset because y'all know he got that new grill and he doesn't have any tongs or anything because whenever we sold his Blackstone, he loved it, but he wanted a smoker, and we can get a griddle for this new grill that he has, so it can be like a Blackstone too. So he's getting that soon. But all of his like accessories were Blackstone accessories, and so he just sold that with his Blackstone. So now he has like no cooking utensils, and he's really upset about it because he's like, how am I supposed to flip all this stuff? But he doesn't know that my mom and dad got him a really nice little gift set that he'll get today for his birthday. So I'm so excited for him to open that up today, and I'm gonna share it with y'all, and I'll share the link. I found it on Etsy, and I sent it to mom because she was asking what she could get him. Look, isn't that perfect? And I knew he needed that. And it has like his name on it and everything. It's going to be like in a nice wooden box where we can put it up under the grill and keep it outside. So I'm so excited for him to get that. We're about to pack up the car, but we was going to share with y'all our little outfits. It's a little dark out here. It's a little dark out here. And Sissy got him this little outfit. Got a little swim trunk, so we're wearing them as little shorts today. Cute little shirt, but we're missing something. Where's your shoes? Yeah, we gotta find your shoes. And then I am wearing a sweater right now, and I have on this little Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. I'm a little cold right now. And then these little red shorts and flip-flops. We're gonna put him in the car and then load up the food. Say, let's go. Ready, set?
Summer love, memory.
Happy Memorial Day. Mom burnt the toast. We lit things on fire early this morning.
Remember lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise.
Ooh, wow. It's a Drew box. What I need right there. That's nice.
Isn't that nice? Is it nice?
We have chocolate and vanilla.
That's your summer.
We added some peaches into this. So this is Sunday afternoon, and my friend Carly made me some front door wreath sashes, and they are so cute. I cannot wait to open them up. So they had the little flags on them and then our initial on it. So we're going to hang those up to make the front porch a little bit more festive. We do a lot more decorating for the 4th of July, like the patriotic colors and flags, but I thought this would be a nice touch for Memorial Day and just a nod of gratitude for all of the heroes that sacrificed their lives so we could have this special time and weekend together with our family. So if your family is or was in the military, a big thanks to all of the men and women out there serving our country. So Peach Park has been advertising a peach latte, and I've been wanting to try it, and it was so good. So I'm so excited for peach season. We are from Tilton County, and that is huge peach county. And so I cannot wait to try all thing peach flavored this summer. We have set up the backyard as like a little splash water park for some kiddos, and Kaysen had a blast this day. Here's Lucas. So him and Kaysen played for a little while, and then we had some more friends come over. So we had lots of friends and family over this day. My mother-in-law, Miss Althea, brought over some snacks, so I set up a little snack bar for us to have. We just hung out on the patio and played games and watched the kids play, and it was such a relaxing, enjoyable day.
Stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors, summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors, summer lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset view.
So this is Memorial Day, Monday morning, and I am making a berry cobbler. One of my favorite places to eat in the summertime is Collages on Lake Martin, and they have a berry cobbler and it's so good. I was going to make a peach cobbler, but I had all these berries that I needed to use, and this was going to be more festive, so we'll make a peach cobbler next. This is so easy. This is one of those 1 cup recipes: 1 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, and 1 stick butter. So easy. And I use this for so many different cobbler recipes. And then I'm going to take the rest of this fruit over there too. So we're going to Miss Althea's brother's house, so Uncle Bill and Aunt Angie's. And we're also going to be celebrating Brent's birthday. He is turning 60. He's from Texas. So we're celebrating his birthday over there. And then also Drew made another batch of that street corn because it was just so good.
Some stuff like that.
That is all for our little Memorial Day weekend. I hope you and your family enjoyed your weekend together, kicking off summer and remembering those who fought hard and sacrificed for our country and our freedom. I love you guys so much. God bless y'all. Here's to summer. Here's to making many, many more memories with our friends and family and our babies. And I will see you guys in the very next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.
And all the colors.